How to use USAFIS review properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. USAFIS helps applicants process biometric appointments for US visas, but beginners often make costly errors. Here's how to use it properly. Most people get this wrong. They book appointments without checking visa type requirements. The surprising truth is that appointment length, location, and required documents vary. Ignoring this can cause delays or rescheduling fees. Another common mistake is entering incorrect personal information. USAFIS relies on accurate names, passport numbers, and application IDs. Mistakes here can lead to missed appointments or reapplication. Many users also overlook document preparation. Required forms, photographs, and supporting documents must be complete and correctly formatted. Failing to prepare in advance often results in wasted trips. Neglecting appointment reminders is another trap. USAFIS sends confirmation emails and reminders. Ignoring them can lead to missed appointments and additional charges. Finally, beginners often fail to understand cancellation policies. Cancelling or rescheduling late may incur extra fees. Review policies before booking to avoid unexpected costs. In conclusion, using USAFIS properly means checking visa requirements, entering accurate information, preparing documents, monitoring reminders, and understanding cancellation policies. Avoiding these mistakes ensures a smooth and cost-effective visa process.